Hello and welcome to Blue Road Graphics. I will show you how to make Mercedes-Benz logo using Rotate tool. Turn on Smart Guide by going to View and Smart Guide. Use Ellipse tool from Toolbox and a draw circle by holding Shift and Alt button. Then increase the stroke weight to 25. Then use Pen tool and draw straight line using Shift button. Then change width profile as shown. Then select the stroke and click on Rotate tool and click on Center of Circle by holding Alt button. Enter 120 in pop-up screen, then click on Copy. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate. And done.